students. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about occupations popular in villages and how they changed with the passage of time. Our today's topic is White Revolution. What is White Revolution? It is related to production of milk, its processing, marketing, export and distribution of byproducts of milk like butter, ghee, cheese, etc. In earlier times, farmers used to domesticate animals on their farm for the fulfilling of the requirement of milk for their family and for a source of extra income. But at that time, the quality of animals and the feed given to them was not good. So, the production of milk was low and supply system was also not good. Dr. Varghese Kurian was known as father of White Revolution or Operation Flood. He belonged to Gujarat. Cooperative societies of collecting and distributing milk were formed and they worked very efficiently. And soon our India, which was milk deficient country, means there was scarcity of milk, became the largest producer of milk. He also created a national milk grid and linked all milk producers with consumers in over 700 towns and cities. And many new occupations come into existence because of this White Revolution, like veterinary is a person who treat animals, scientist who research for animals, dairy farming, machinery manufacturing. These were the skilled professionals. Many known professionals like dairy farmers, truck drivers, record keepers were also involved in it because for distribution of milk, truck drivers were needed, and for keeping the records of collection and distribution, record keepers were needed. So these professionals were needed for this. Now next is changes in occupations. In olden times, kings were the head of the state. They used to give jobs to the people. King palace provide jobs to many people. As you must have seen in old movies and TV serials, that so many darbans, ministers, masons, tailors, weavers, etc. serve the king palace. Now scenario is totally changed. Many new occupations become popular in cities related to industry, trade, transport, communication, health services, banking, etc. And some professionals like scientists, engineers, doctors, teachers, designers are also in great demand. Now, services of known professionals are also needed in towns and cities. We can categorize them in three parts. First is skilled labor, tailors, carpenters, plumbers. They need skill to do their work. For doing these work, special training and practice is needed. Second category is semi-skilled, like bakers, cleaners, washermen. For these works, a short training is needed. Third category is unskilled workers. Workers at construction site, coolies, and no special training is required for them. Now next is dignity of labor. It means all works are equal. We should never consider any work superior or inferior. All types of jobs are necessary in society. We must respect all of them. For example, if sweeper will not clean your classroom, you will not be able to learn comfortably there. So every work has its own importance. Mahatma Gandhi, father of nation, used to do all types of work on his own. Now next topic is gender discrimination. Unequal treatment given to women is known as gender discrimination. In our country, girls and women are not given equal opportunities in education, careers and political system. But now women are aware about their rights and they are claiming for that. When men from rural area migrate to cities in search of jobs, then women took over the responsibility of whole family and of farming also, but their work is not respected. They do not get equal share in occupation, education, health facilities, etc. But now they are participating in many occupations that were earlier labeled as male dominated occupation, like military services, engineer, doctor, scientist, etc. In rural areas also, women work in factories and becoming independent. They are also contributing in the development of our country. So many new occupations are emerging in our country and women are also participating in these. That's all for today. Next we will do in our